So yay, we are on step 4, which is ideal customer. Now I've lost my mouse, there it is. So let's press start and we will open up this chat, which is all about finding your ideal customer. So we can have a little look at the instructions. So this is more than just sort of age and gender. It's more about finding out their likes and dislikes, and then their pain points, what they're looking for, what language works with them. And you can do this like for up to 4 different customers, which is great, especially if you sort of serve like retail and wholesale, or you're looking for presence for somebody rather than just going directly to like appealing directly to the customer. So you can just go through it and answer all the questions. But again, if you've done a lot of this work already, and you've got this documented somewhere, you can just copy and paste it in. Or if you've got, if you work with an AI, you can copy and paste the AI hack again into whichever language model, large language model you use. But in this case, again, I've got this already written out. So I've got all of my ideal customers, starting here with Lucy of Lewis. And this is just names that I've given them. It's not real people. And so I'm just going to paste it again in there and see if that's enough or if they want a bit more information, if Inkie wants more information. So that's given them enough information. So that's me using the AI prompt and coming up with all of these different pain points, where they might find them, buying behaviors, decision process, everything like that. That's all stored. And then, so that's now done. And we have completed step 4.